If you are an accountant in practice or employed in an SME and you want to increase your value, we at Managing Directors Workshops have created the one-day course, The Accountant as a Business Advisor. This course was created by our founder and ex-SEMA Council member Robin Tidd, who has over 30 years experience in the field of business advice. For all you pragmatic accountants, you'll be pleased to know this is a highly practical course. It focuses on the most important needs of real businesses, and along with Robin's 4 favourite tools, it's packed full of cracking expert advice on how to deal with those needs. As an accountant, you are among the best placed professions to make the progression into business advice. And as an advisor, you're in a position to add significant value to a business. The workshop allows for plenty of interaction so you can get your questions answered directly. And for those of you who are self-employed, there will be a wealth of insight on how to get into new clients with your newfound skills. The Accountant as a Business Advisor is an all-day catered course with an optional overnight. Please get in touch via our website or email info@managingdirectorsworkshops.co.uk to register your interest.